परत एक फावट आणि एक गजाली विथ मानसी कंटेस्टंट. आमचे जे कंटेस्टंट आसा तांचे विचार तुमी इतले दीस आयकता प्रत्येक आयतारा, आणि तुमकां तर नक्की उमळशीक जाली आसतली की कंटेस्टंटांनी जे परफॉर्म केल्ले आसा फॉर दी ऑडिशन रावंड, कितें आसा, कितें प्रश्न आशिल्ले, कितें परफॉर्म केले, कशें जालें ऑडिशन, हे सगळें पळोवपाक तुमी सगळे आमचे जे व्ह्युअर्स आसा ते रावले आसतले. आनी कंटेस्टंट सुद्दां रावले टॉप 20 केन्ना सिलेक्ट जातले ते पळोवपाक. पूण हे हाका टायम आसा, कारण तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, परत एक फावट हांव सांगता की आमचे गोंय, आमचे भारत, पुराय विश्व हे एक पॅन्डेमीक म्हळ्यार कोरोना व्हायरस कोविड-19 ह्या पॅन्डेमिका कडेन झगडटा. आनी त्या वेळार आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवन वावुरपाक जाय हे पॅन्डेमीक सोंपोवपाक, तशेंच ह्या कोविड-19 दुयेंसा कडल्यान पयस रावपाक. त्या खातीर कसलेंच फंक्शन जावंक शकना, आनी ह्याच लागून एक कारण आसा की आमचे मानसी हो जो कॉन्टेस्ट आसा तो फुडें वचत आसा. जेन्ना हो पॅन्डेमीक सोंपतलो तेदे वेळार एक नवीन सुरवात जातली, आनी त्या नवीन सुरवातेन आमी परत एक फावट मानसी हो कॉन्टेस्ट तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येतले. पूण सद्या तरी आमी वळख करून घेता जे कंटेस्टंट आसा तांचे, आनी तांचे कडल्यान जाणून घेता की तांचे विचारां बद्दल किंवा तांची म्हायती, तांची आवड निवड सगळ्यो. आनी आयज परत एक फावट आनी 3 कंटेस्टंट म्हाज्या बरोबर आसा, तितलेच टॅलेंटेड आसा, कारण तांचो तिगांचो हांवें ऑडिशन रावंड पळयला. एंड तांकां ऑडिशन रावंडाक पळोवपाक आनीक मजा येतलीच. पूण सद्या तरी तांचे कडेन जाणून घेवया आमी की तांचे विचार कितें आसा मानसी बद्दल, किंवा तांचे बद्दलच्यो थोड्यो म्हायती आमी जाणून घेवया. सगळ्यात पयलीं आमचे बरोबर आसा आमचे पयले कंटेस्टंट, ते म्हळ्यार गौरी सामंत. गौरी, वेलकम टू द शो.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच.
दुसरे कंटेस्टंट म्हाज्या बरोबर आसा ते म्हळ्यार सिंड्रेला डिक्रूज. सिंड्रेला, वेलकम टू द शो.
थँक यू सो मच.
तिसरे कंटेस्टंट म्हाज्या बरोबर आसा ते म्हळ्यार शीना गुदिनो. शीना, वेलकम टू द शो.
थँक यू सो मच.
सो सगळ्यात पयलीं हांव सुरवात करपाक सोदता गौरी कडल्यान. गौरी, मला माहीत आहे भरपूर महिने झाले ऑडिशन देऊन, आणि अजून भरपूर जे कंटेस्टंट आहेत ते सगळे थांबले आहेत रिझल्टसाठी. पण सध्या मी ओळख करून घेऊया. सगळ्यात आधी मी तुला विचारू इच्छितो की तुझ्याबद्दल काहीतरी सांग. म्हणजे तुला काय आवडतं, तुझे हॉबीज काय आहे, तुझं प्रोफेशनली तू काय करतेस, याच्याबद्दल थोडी इन्फॉर्मेशन.
सो सगळ्यात आधी मला स्टुडंटला थँक्यू म्हणायचंय की मानसी थ्रू एक बिग प्लॅटफॉर्म त्यांनी आमच्यासाठी अवेलेबल करून दिलाय, where we can introduce ourselves through our talent. So first of all, I would like to say thank you to Prudent Media. And of course about me, basically मी मुंबईची आहे आणि लग्न करून मी गोव्यात आले. बाय प्रोफेशन आय एम डान्स कोरिओग्राफर. मी कथकमध्ये विशारद केलंय, फोकमध्ये मी डिप्लोमा केलाय, आणि कंटेम्पररी मध्ये मी जस्ट एक लर्निंग प्रोसेस माझं सुरू झाला होता आणि अकॅडमिक इयरमुळे ते पुरलं. पण हाफ एन इयर मी कंटेम्पररी मध्ये कम्प्लीट केलंय. बाय अकॅडमिकली मी मराठी आणि संस्कृत या 2 विषयांमध्ये स्पेशलायझेशन केलंय पाटकर कॉलेजमधून. आणि शिवाय ऑटिस्टिक मुलांच्या स्कूलमध्ये मी 3 वर्ष ऍज अ डान्स ट्रेनर म्हणून काम करत होते मुंबईला. आणि रेकी म्हणून एक स्पिरिच्युअल एनर्जी स्टडी आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये मी जस्ट माझं मास्टर्स डन केलं. आणि ऍज अ वर्किंग मी डान्स कोरिओग्राफ करते. आय मीन ऑफिस इव्हेंट, लग्नाचे संगीत, कॉर्पोरेट इव्हेंट्स वगैरे मी कोरिओग्राफ करते.
बरं, मला एक सांग, हे तू प्रोफेशनली डान्समध्ये तुम्ही घेतला आहेस, आणि मला वाटतं डान्स तेवढाच तुला आवडत असेल. पण ह्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त तुला काय आवडतं असं नवीन, किंवा कुठली गोष्ट डान्सच्या व्यतिरिक्त तुला आणि एक हॉबी म्हणून बघायची?
डान्सच्या व्यतिरिक्त असं आवड असं काही नाही, बट हा मला कुक करायला खूप आवडतं. म्हणजे वेगवेगळे युट्यूब वरती आता सध्या क्वारंटाईन पिरियड आहे, त्यामुळे हल्ली युट्यूब वरती नवीन नवीन डिशेस इंट्रोड्यूस्ड होत असतात वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीच्या. सो सध्या क्वारंटाईन मध्ये ते सुरू आहे माझं की काहीतरी आपल्याला जेवढं शक्य होईल तेवढं बनवायचं. सो आणि कुकिंग मध्ये पण मला केक बनवायला खूप आवडतात वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे. क्वारंटाईनमुळे तो शॉक मला जडलाय की कुठल्या कुठल्या पद्धतीचे केक करता येतील. सो त्याच्या शोधातच मी असते. त्यामुळे डान्सच्या बिसाइड्स मला एक कुकची आवड निर्माण झाली, कारण हा पिरियड मला एक मिळाला की काहीतरी करून बघायचा. सो मला वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचे केक करायला खूप आवडतात.
मला वाटतं खूप चांगली हॉबी आहे आणि येस तुमच्या घरी पण सगळ्यांना आवडत असेल कारण कुकिंग म्हटल्यावर कोणालाही आवडत नाही अशातली गोष्ट नाही आहे. आणि काही क्वेश्चन्स आणखीन पण विचारायचे आहेत पण तेवढ्यात मी सिंड्रेलाकडे जाऊन येतो. सो सिंड्रेला म्हाका तुका विचारपाचें आसा की तुझ्याबद्दल थोडें कितें सांग बाय प्रोफेशनली कितें करता अँड वॉट यू लायक टू डू ऑर वॉट इज युअर हॉबी. टेल मी समथींग अबाउट यू.
I'm still studying. I'm doing my correspondence, and also I'm studying. I'm also into social network marketing. Okay, so I recently during this quarantine and all, I discovered this whole trading thing, and I partnered up with someone, and I now trade, and I also do network marketing. And my hobbies are singing, as you know, for the band a song. And I like singing and I like dancing. Then I also like traveling, which
Okay,
is
okay.
right now. And also I like baking, but only cakes and stuff. I don't like cooking.
But tell me something. You said you are into social marketing something, right?
Network marketing.
Pardon?
Network marketing.
Network marketing. What it is basically? Can you explain what kind of business?
So I have partnered up with this guy called Jason Stone. Okay, and we teach people how to trade on the binary options. It's not like the stock market. Okay, this is like the forex market, and so I teach people how they can make money online through trading, just using their phone and Wi-Fi. Sitting at home since it's lockdown, everybody's just indoors. So why not use this time, make some money from home, from their comfort zone? Yeah. So I teamed up with them, and I teach people this now.
That's nice. And again, you said you like to travel. So last place where you had traveled last year because from starting of this year we are into the house because of this pandemic.
So right before lockdown, me and my family, we went to Pune, and also went to Lavasa.
Oh.
Yeah, we just roamed around that whole area. Like my aunt actually, they bought a new car, so they wanted to go on a long drive. So overnight we just decided, let's go to Pune, because I also did my I we chose Pune because, like, I would be their travel guide basically, because I was in Pune for almost 1 year. I was doing my music production course there, and so I kind of know Pune a bit in and out, a little bit. So I was like their guide, and we roamed around whatever I knew, places, malls, then the zoo. We took the kids also. They have kids, so we went to the zoo and different places along with Lavasa, that city, Lavasa. We went there, and yeah,
So
basically we just roamed around in Pune and we came back
you have done your
right before the
music.
lockdown, and we were so grateful that the lockdown.
You have done your music production course, right? So
Yeah.
it is
But I didn't
also.
practice into that.
Do you compose any music track or something?
Not really, but then I was doing that all. I was getting there, but then this lockdown happened, so the institutes and all closed down. I was also pursuing my piano course. I was learning the piano so that I can compose my own music and write my own songs and add music to it all by myself. But then everything went on a halt when the lockdown happened, so I'm not doing it right now. At the moment, it's just on a stop.
Thank you, Cinderella. Moving to Sheena. Hi, Sheena.
Hi.
Okay, so Sheena, tell me something about you. तू प्रोफेशनली किती करता आणि तुझी आवड निवड किती असा किती करता तुझं बेसिकली त्याच्याबद्दल थोडी.
So actually, I'm working in GoAir Airlines as a security executive. So somewhat related like army, military kind of thing. I'm security.
Yeah.
So you all know my job, what it is. like scanning and finding bombs and guns. All these things is my responsibility. So I'm in all these things. So mostly next year I'll be trying for Indian Army if I clear the exams. That's my plan for now. And I like photo shoots, photography. I do small videos and dancing, Zumba, cooking, all those things.
Nice. And you said you are into the security check. So, like, you wanted to become to go in army, or you just joined the airlines?
Yeah, actually, I had a plan to be a crew, but unfortunately, I joined in security, knowing nothing about it. Maybe God had a plan for me in that, but it's been 1 year now, and I just enjoyed my work, and I feel that's the perfect line for me. And rather than flying, I feel I being on the ground and doing something for the country is much better. So I had, I got that interest of being in military also. So next year maybe I'll be trying.
Yeah. But tell me something. When the period of lockdown, there was no flights going on. But after that, slowly the domestic flights started, and now some international, like from Vande Bharat, flights are coming down. So how is your job right now? It is risky because of coronavirus.
Right now I'm not working because the
Okay.
flights are not operating. But
Okay. Okay.
yeah, but it will be starting in October mostly. So getting prepared for that.
And you like your job, like what are the? I just wanted to know how you work there, because you said finding the bombs or guns or anything else. So how it works basically, and ever you found something in someone's bag or something?
Mostly, I just found toy guns. Even that is not allowed. So I just found that. And lighters, basically all Goans and all the travelers, they have a lot of lighters. So that is also not allowed in the aircraft. So I'm actually a screener. So it's been
Okay.
1 year for me. So I scan all the bags of the passenger traveling from Goa to all other places. Yes. And we just have to see for smugglings and all other stuff.
You find this job interesting now? How
It's
was the
very
experience?
interesting. It's very interesting. And, only thing is that you need to be very responsible because
One
people are
mistake.
traveling.
Yeah,
One
one
mistake
mistake.
can, spoil everything. So you need to be very responsible, calm, patient at your work. You cannot get distracted, when the bags pass through. So you need to be very calm person or very responsible person for this job. And I feel I have this capability in me. That's the reason I am here and enjoying it.
And surely, best of luck for your future, because you said you want to join Indian Army, and that's a previous, or I don't know, because I also wanted to join the Navy, but I couldn't because of some other reasons. But thank you for joining us in Mansi. And tell me, what are your hobbies besides this, or besides your work? What do you do?
Actually, I like traveling. I travel because our job also demands us to travel. So a lot of time we just go for trainings and other places. So I like traveling. Even in Goa, I just like traveling, going out for trackings. And photography is my passion. I like photography. Gardening, the second thing is I just love gardening. So now even I'm planning after our conversation, I'm planning to go grow, put some seeds of tabdi bhaji. So that's my plan.
Oh,
So I'm just
okay.
waiting for that. So I like kitchen gardening, something kind of agricultural work.
That's nice. That's nice. So I'll be asking you more questions. So I'll go to Gauri now. गौरी मला एक सांग, आता लॉकडाऊन होतं, म्हणजे 2-3 महिने तरी आम्ही घरीच आहोत, आणि घरी राहिल्यामुळे भरपूरशा नवीन गोष्टी शिकायला मिळाल्या मला. ह्या लॉकडाऊनमध्ये काही नवीन गोष्टी शिकल्यास का तू?
येस, मी म्हणेन ऍक्च्युली मला पहिल्यापासूनच कविता करायचा खूप छंद होता. आय यूज टू राईट, मी लिहिलेल्या आहेत बऱ्याच कविता. बट आफ्टर मॅरेज अँड बिफोर मॅरेज इन प्रिपरेशन्स माझं कुठेतरी ते मागे सुटलेलं. सो जेव्हा हा पेंडॅमिक सुरू झाला आणि जेव्हा म्हणजे अक्षरशः त्या सिच्युएशनमुळे डोकं काही दिवस बधीर झालेलं, ब्लँक होतं, काहीच सुचत नव्हतं. सो रँडमली असं मला काहीतरी एक सुचत गेलं, एक एक छोटासा विषय एक मिळाला मला, कोरोनाच मिळाला मला. आणि कोरोनावरती मी माझी पहिली कविता लिहिली आफ्टर अ लॉंग बॅक. आता ती नाही म्हणजे माझ्या बुक मध्ये आहे ती, पण करून करून मी कोरोनावरती पहिली कविता मी केली. आणि मग त्याच्यानंतर येस, मी थोडस स्वतःमध्ये इम्प्रुव्हमेंट केलं कविता करताना. आणि येस, मी डान्स मध्ये सुद्धा नवीन नवीन एक्सपेरिमेंट ट्राय केले. म्हणजे मी कवितेवरती डान्स कसा करायचा ह्याचं थोडंसं ट्रेनिंग मी युट्यूब वरून घेतलं. फ्युजन मध्ये काही व्हरायटीज मिळतात का, सो इन बिटवीन माझ्यातच म्हणजे माझ्या पोएम रायटिंग मध्ये आणि माझ्या डान्स मध्ये मी खूप व्हेरिएशन्स शोधले आणि त्या दृष्टीने मी काम करायला सुरुवात केली.
बरं, आणखीन एक गोष्ट आहे, मला वाटतं तू कुकिंग पण म्हणजे नवीन काहीतरी पदार्थ पण बनवायला शिकली असेल. काय होतं म्हणजे नवीन पदार्थ कुठले शिकले?
नवीन पदार्थ म्हणजे मी एक बटाट्याची भाजी ट्राय केलेली वेगळ्या पद्धतीची. बट विथ व्हेरिएशन, विथ व्हेरिएशन.
काय होतं ते व्हेरिएशन?
व्हेरिएशन म्हणजे असं काही वेगळं नव्हतं. असं जिंजर आणि ह्याची लसूणची पेस्ट, मग ते बटाटे आधी बॉईल करून, मग थोडस त्याच्यामध्ये चीज, मेयोनीज, मग आपले कॉर्न्स वगैरे असं काहीतरी, टोमॅटो प्युरी वगैरे असं सगळं काही जेवढं घरात आहे ते सगळं एकत्र करून ती भाजी मी केलेली. सगळंच युट्यूब फॉलो नाही केलं, थोडस मला फॉलो केलं. आणि रिसेंटली माझ्या बर्थडेच्या दिवशी ग्लुकोज बिस्किटांचा केक मी बनवला. त्यामुळे असे दोन एक पदार्थ माझ्याकडनं झाले, 3च झाले, पण त्यातला हे 2 व्यवस्थित झाले, म्हणजे फसले नाहीत कुठेही.
तू जेव्हा भाजी केली होती त्याला नाव काय दिलं होतं, की तुझी स्वतःची रेसिपी आहे कारण मी काहीतरी ट्राय केलं होतं आणि कोणी खाल्ली?
युट्यूब वरती आलू चटपटा काहीतरी होतं आणि घरात ऑफकोर्स विनायकने खाल्ली.
विनायक म्हणजे गौरीचा नवरा आणि लोकांना माहित असणार विनायकचं नाव. ओके, पण काय मग नवऱ्याची काय हे होतं म्हणजे टिप्स काय होती?
आवडली त्याला, आवडणारच.
हो तेच ना, नाही सुद्धा म्हटलं तरी काय करणार. बरोबर आहे. Cinderella, I just wanted to ask you what you did in this lockdown, new thing what you learned, because we all have learned something new because we had time and we were thinking or we were introspecting ourselves what we can do, like what are our capacities. So what you have learned new in this pandemic or lockdown?
Well, as I said earlier, the new thing that I learned was about trading. I discovered it during the lockdown, more of it, and I joined the team and everything. So yeah, I learned more of trading during the lockdown, and apart from that, I also learned some cooking at home because my mom was like more into teaching us things and giving her a break from the kitchen. And I spent a lot of time with my family, more than usual. And also the other thing was during this lockdown I completed some books which I wanted to read, which were in my bookshelf all the time, but then I was like always not in the mood or always doing something else. So I completed reading 2 of those books which are like on a spiritual side. So during the lockdown, I even improved my spirituality, I can say. Nice. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And my small sister is also like how Sheena said, she's into gardening. So is my small sister interested in gardening, and so I helped her out a bit in that.
एक गजाल म्हाका सांगासर खरेंच बरी दिसता म्हाका की प्रत्येक कंटेस्टंट जो आसा आनी मानसी म्हटल्यानंतर जे आमचे गोंयची अस्तुरी आसा तांचे खरेंच कौतुक करचेशें दिसता की आपूण घर सांबाळटना सुद्धा आपलो टॅलंट फुडें येवपाक जाय जाल्यार कितें करपाक जाय हाचे बद्दलूय विचार करता. आपली आवड, आपलो हॉबी जर म्हणजे एक म्हणून पळयता आसतना, हॉबी पळयता आसतना तातूंत आनी कितले भर घालतले, तातूंत आनी कितें आपूण सोदतले हाचो सुद्दां विचार करता. हे खऱ्यांनीच खूब बरें दिसता आयकून आनी पळोवन आमकां सिंड्रेला टेल मी वन थिंग, म्हाका दिसता सगळे जाण आमी कुकींग करताले घरा कडेन आनी तुवें सुद्दां म्हटलें की आपूण केन्ना केन्ना रांदपाक वताले. सो एनी न्यू डीश वीच यू लर्न ऑर यू डीड एट होम?
I all the dishes are new which I learned because I was not any which way into the kitchen stuff from first only. So all the dishes are new. And basically I just learned like normal how how my mom cooks every day, what she planned, like so basically everyday food. Like otherwise I used to learn only baking stuff, which is like what cake to make or what new cake to do. So this time I'm like more into kitchen stuff, like normal everyday food which you have for lunch and dinner. I learned a lot of it. Normal Goan food basically, more of that.
क्या बात है. We'll come back to you. I am going to Sheena. Sheena, म्हाका एक सांग, तुवें ह्या लॉकडावनान नवीन कितें शिकलें? कारण खुबश्यो गोश्टी म्हाका दिसता तुजे कडेन आसतल्यो, कारण लॉकडावनान तुका काम हे नाशिल्लें आनी ते खातीरूच घरा कडेन खुबश्यो गोश्टी नवीन शिकपाक गावताल्यो. तुवें नवीन गोश्ट खंयची शिकले?
So the first month, what I did was only cooking, and I like sweets, so mostly brownies.
म्हाका एक कळना की सगळे जाण कुकींग सगळ्यात पयलीं कित्याक शिकता, कारण आनी खुबश्यो गोश्टी आसा आनी सगळे जाणांनी एक आन्सर दिला म्हाका, दे लर्न कुकींग ऑर दे वर कुकींग एट होम. कितें आसा हें रिजन?
Because I feel it was trend on Instagram and Facebook, Gallego and Copy, so that was like trend. So like we were just trying new things, and then the second
And
month
I
was
think,
like,
and I think this was the reason why there were a shortage of biscuits in the market, right?
maybe.
Because all are making cakes out of that biscuits and all. So tell me something more you learned.
So the second month was like only in gardening, like putting the seeds and all the stuff. And the third month was like I learned four-wheeler. So that was one of the best thing which I have done in lockdown, memorable. Because four-wheeler, I had a wish and I had a lot of time. And earlier I did not have time because of my work. So during lockdown, I got to learn that. So that was something best I have done.
So now you know to drive on busy road also.
Yes.
You took the license?
Yes.
Very good. That's nice. So, गौरी, मला एक सांग, मानसी जेव्हा तू ऐकलंस तेव्हा काय होतं डोक्यात, आणि जेव्हा तू पार्टिसिपेट करायला गेली होतीस काय होतं डोक्यात तुझ्या, का म्हणून मानसी हा चूज केलास?
जसं मी म्हटलं की मला प्रुडंटना थँक्यू म्हणायचंय, कारण जे वुमन्स घरात अडकले आहेत, ज्यांना समहाव कुठे घराच्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीजमुळे आपलं टॅलेंट कुठेतरी स्टॉप झालेलं आहे, आणि मानसी हा एक असा चांगला प्लॅटफॉर्म मिळालाय की आम्ही स्वतःला कुठेतरी ऑल ओव्हर गोवा आमची ओळख पोचू शकते, आमचं टॅलेंट गोव्याच्या कानाकोपऱ्यात. मानसी हे नाव मला इतकं आकर्षित वाटलं आणि मी त्या नावालाच खूप आकर्षित झाले, आणि ते नाव घेतानाच असं एक इनर काहीतरी असा व्हॉइस ऐकू येतो की मानसी म्हणजे काहीतरी असं एक स्पार्क आहे त्या नावामध्ये. सो मी नावानेच एवढी पूर्ण अट्रॅक्ट झाले त्या ह्याच्याकडे, आणि मग मी ठरवलं की जसं मी म्हटलं मी मुंबईची आहे, गोव्यामध्ये मी न्यू कमर आहे, जसं मुंबईमध्ये माझं टॅलेंट सगळ्यांच्या परिचयाचं आहे तसंच इथे सुद्धा गोव्यामध्ये एक स्वतःची आयडेंटिटी क्रिएट करायची आहे, स्वतःचं टॅलेंट सगळ्यांपर्यंत पोहोचवायचं आहे. आणि येस ऑफकोर्स स्टुडंटने मानसी म्हणून एक चांगली अपॉर्च्युनिटी मला दिली आहे, असं मला वाटतं की मी बाहेर पडून काहीतरी करू शकते. दॅट्स वाय आय कनेक्टेड टू द मानसी अँड आय एम गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट इन इट.
Citrala, I want to ask you, what was your first thought when you heard about Mansi contest?
Okay, so I was always interested in pageants and modeling, and I did some when I was a teenage back then. And yeah, as she said earlier, Gauri, the name is very interesting, especially Goa's Next Superwoman. Sounds really cool, the title itself. So that's very interesting. And also I wanted to I did participate in a few pageants back when I was a teenager, like Miss Teen, Miss Goa, then Miss Petite. and so I had like stopped it for a while because I'm shy. Yeah, but now I think, like, you know, as I grew up now, I think the shyness is going, I'm getting rid of it, and I just basically wanted to be more confident and stuff. So to improve on myself, I joined it more. The main reason I joined is just to improve on myself.
How was your experience after the audition?
Okay, I feel like my confidence has definitely increased more after auditioning, and I was really looking forward to it. But then the whole lockdown, but then never mind, the lockdown was also a good opportunity to improve on yourself and your daily chores and bad habits, and, you know, just to improve on yourself basically. But after auditioning it, I feel like I'm really I have improved my self-confidence more than anything else.
Sheena, tell me about you. Like, when you heard about Mansi contest, what was your first thought, and why you chose to come in this contest?
Okay, so like when I saw, the ad, the thing was like, I need this title anyhow, badly. That was the first thing because I wanted to, I wanted to participate in Miss Goa, Miss Teen, but I never got this opportunity, or I was not aware of these things because when these events were happening, I was always missing out. But when I saw this, so it was like, no, you have to do it, you have to win this. So that was the first thing in my mind, and I gave my 100% for the audition round, and I will be, if I'm top 20, then definitely I'm going to show more talents which I have. So yes.
डेफिनेटली बेस्ट ऑफ लक शिना. आणि खरेंच तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुमी मानसी ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक आयले. एक गोष्ट नक्की तुमी सगळ्यांनी पळयली आसतली, जर आमचे सगळे जे सिरीज तुमी पळयता जाल्यार आमचे प्रत्येक मानसी कंटेस्टंट तांकां हांव परत आतांच मानसी म्हणपाक सोदता, बिकॉज तांचे विचार, तांची कला, तांचे एक घर सांबाळपाची एक जी जिद्द आसा, किंवा जगान कितें तरी करून दाखोवपाची जी जिद्द आसा, कितें तरी आपलें नांव वयर काडपाची जिद्द आसा, ताज्या खातीर आमी तांकां सलाम करता. आणि ह्या तांच्या जिद्दी खातीरूच हो कॉन्टेस्ट जो आसा तो खूब बरो जातलो, हाच्या बद्दल कांय डावट ना. परत एक फावट सांगता, आमी अजून टॉप 20 जे सिलेक्ट करूंक ना कंटेस्टंटांतले, जे टॉप 20 आमी सिलेक्ट करपाचे आसा, अजून पर्यंत टॉप 20 सिलेक्ट करूंक ना, बिकॉज जेन्ना ऑन एअर ऑडिशन तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटलें, ताच्या नंतर टॉप 20 आमी तुमचे कडेन हाडटले, आनी ते टॉप 20 कंटेस्ट करतले फायनल रावंडाक. सो हे सगळे थोड्या दिसांनी जातले, कारण सद्या तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा, बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस वी कॅन नॉट डू एनी इव्हेंट्स, आमी खंयचेच इव्हेंट कंडक्ट करपाक शकना. आणि त्या खातीरूच मानसी हो थोड्या दिसां खातीर, थोड्या म्हयन्यां खातीर, थोड्या काळा खातीर आमी होल्ड केल्लो आसा. पूण तो पर्यंत आमचे मानसीज ज्यो आसा, ज्यो सगळ्यो कंटेस्टंट आसा, तांची वळख तुमच्या मुखार हाडटा, आनी आतां पर्यंत तुमकां कळ्ळें आसतलें की हो कॉन्टेस्ट कितलो बरो जावपाचो आसा तो. सो वन्स अगेन आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू थँक यू ऑल, एंड बिकॉज तुमी आसा म्हणून हो कॉन्टेस्ट खरेंच खूब बरो जावपाचो आसा, आनी तुमी टायम काडलो, आनी आयज ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर आमी गजाली विथ मानसी कंटेस्टंट ह्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर तुमी आयली, ते खातीर मना काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. आमचे जे व्ह्युअर्स आसा, सो तांच्या खातीर सांगपाक सोदता की एवरी संडे हो सिरीज तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटलो, गजाली विथ मानसी कंटेस्टंट्स, आनी पळयत रावा स्टुडंट. देव बरें करूं.